1st of June and the time is 9:13 a.m. and I am just about to make a lot of money today. You know why? Because market is into positive sentiment, guys. You can see this, currently I'm having a profit of 33,622.95 rupees, and we can see this that Maruti is also positive sentiment, 1.4% above. It is Nifty Bank is also 2.24% up. IOC is also 2.5% up. See, I have IOC as well, and PALE you can also see here, it is 2% already up. So all these profits will be rising up very soon. Let's just see, guys. There is just 2 minutes remaining for the market. I'll be back very soon. So guys, you can see this, it is 9:15 a.m. already and I am having a profit of 56,000 rupees, guys. See, it is still rising up, right? So what did I tell you? Once the market is gonna go up, I'm gonna make some money, right? So let's just wait. IOC is up, SRT transportation is up, PALE is up. Reliance is kind of a dicey here. It is not going up, it is coming down actually. It has just opened a gap up bus. And yeah, about Nifty as well, Nifty is going up. Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank are also going up. Position, see guys, it is all live in front of you. 80,000 rupees, right guys? So do you understand the power of stock market right now? It is just 9:16 a.m. from 50,000 to 80,000 rupees. It is just in a matter of time. Okay, so let me just see again. Reliance is also trying to make a rejection there. Okay, so yeah, I was supposed to check Nifty and Nifty Bank. Okay, so Nifty is already up, guys. I told you right in the morning that it is gonna go up, and let me just check for once Nifty here. So it has, oh my god, let me just check the 1 day time frame. Oh, it is almost this much gap up, and yeah, it is, if it has to go up, guys, like if it crosses this previous high, right, it is gonna go crazy. Let's just see how market behaves. Okay, and as far as other stocks are concerned, position is 79,000 in live front of you is there. Let's just check Maruti as well. Maruti is also gap up opened. So yeah, this is pretty much it. PALE is 1000 plus, crossed almost. It has made a high of 1013. So let's just see. So this is all live front of you, guys. ONGC is up. Okay, let me just refresh it once again. Okay guys, so that is a really amazing thing, which is happening right now. So I'll just pause the video here for you guys, and I'll just record it again. Okay, by the end of the day I'll be showing you how much the total profit is here. So currently you can see this, it is 9:18 a.m. It is just 3 minutes past the market has been live, and I have almost made 85,000 rupees profit. It is all live in front of you guys, right? It is all live. 86, 87,000. See, it is all live, guys. 88, right? Isn't it amazing? Type if it is amazing. Almost 90,000 I'm about to hit, guys. So guys, you can see this, the date is again 1st of June. I have made close to 96,000 rupees of profits live in front of you. It is 97 now. So I hope it will be hitting 1 lakh very soon. I'm so much excited, guys. So much excited. And I'm just about to hit 1 lakh. So guys, you can see this, it is all live in front of you, right? So guys, you can see this, it is almost 1 lakh rupees of profits, guys, and the time is 9:23 a.m. and it is all live in front of you. Today the date is 1st of June, and this side Samaria here once again. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye. You can see this, it's almost like 2nd of June it is here, right? And it is in the middle of the night. I'm recording this video for you all. So this is the the broadcasts that I have, okay, in which I give my students the updates. And till now you have seen that I have made like close to 1 lakh rupees of profit, right, on 1st of June. So you can see this, in this live market, this is how I show to my students as well, how and what are my live positions and what I am doing, and how they can also learn from that things. Because understand this thing, a trader can teach you so many things, but again, if he is not teaching you in the live market, then again that is not gonna be worth of it. Okay, so see, like a lot of voice clips, I keep on sending to my students in the middle, in the meantime, of course. So this is how I will teach you. Okay, this is what it is called, a live study. Okay, because no matter whatever happens, if you're not learning it live, it is not going to come to you. Okay, so there are so many things, which I do. Actually, I keep on posting and so many things, and yeah, see, understand this thing. I give my students, on a daily basis homeworks as well. So what did you get to learn, and what was your trading experience? So all those things, I teach them basically. And if I will show it to you, in my WhatsApp statuses as well, in the morning only, close to 7:50 a.m. you can see this the time, right? I told to my students and everyone that, Nifty is gonna go open 100 points above. Okay, and after that, everyone knows, right, what happened. But understand this thing, if the market is gonna open and you already have an intuition, right, or if you already know how the system is gonna work, right, then it gives you a lot of, confidence and trading basically, right? So you can see this every day, my students are making more than 2% of profits. Some guys, are making say more than that as well, but again, everyone makes a minimum of 2%. This guy has made almost like 8%, 8.83%, and this guy is making close to 7% of profits. So like there is a system, okay, that I teach you over a 90 days of period. Okay guys, so everything has to be done with the system, and this guy has made close to 200% plus profits, guys, today. Can you believe it? He doubled his capital, and this guy made close to 210% his profit. Okay, see, these guys are killing it. So the point is, everyone starts small, okay, with 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, it doesn't matter. But the point is, are you learning the right thing, which I'm going to teach it to you? So let's just move ahead. Till now you have seen, how I was making 1 lakh rupees of profits. So at 9:34 a.m. it is 1.15 lakh, and 10:17 a.m. it is 1.56 lakhs. Okay, you can see the timestamps here also, guys. It is 12:56 p.m. it is 1.75 lakhs, and 3 p.m. it is almost 1.8 lakh rupees of profits, and 1.9 lakh of profit it is at 3:09 p.m. and by 3:30, 3:28 it was almost 2 lakh rupees of profits. And those of you who are still having this confusion that is it my real trading chart, so you can see this is I'll just refresh it for you as well, guys. You can see this, these are my couple of open positions, and I am currently having a profit of 1,99,701 and 25 paisa. So again, 2 lakh rupees of profits, it is not happening. Like I am short at 300 rupees. So that is what it is happening. But again, of course, market is gonna go open tomorrow as well, right? And this profit will be continuing still. So like a lot of things happen in the trader's mind, right? But again, see, understand this thing. I'm having a loss of here 500 rupees, having a loss of here 2,000 as well. Here 1,500 rupees of loss I booked. But again, the point is, if you are right into a trade, right, there are always the days, when you hit some stop losses as well, and there are always some days when you had some, good profits as well. So you have to be consistent enough in learning. Okay guys, and my stop losses are small, my targets are very big. You can see this, right, live in front of you. So if you are interested, direct message me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9041919713, and you can ping me on WhatsApp to in order to get the new update of the regarding mentorship program. So just that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.